ever pondered over the secret sauce that makes someone a millionaire? Well, it's not just about the right investments or having a high-income job. It's about the mindset, the way one thinks and perceives the world. The millionaire mindset, as it's often called, is what separates the truly successful from the rest. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this millionaire mindset? According to a blog post from the World Linker, it's a combination of 7 key traits that millionaires share. Traits that, when applied, can drastically alter the course of one's financial journey. Firstly, there's the belief in one's own specialness. This isn't about being arrogant or self-centered. Rather, it's about recognizing your unique abilities and leveraging them to your advantage. It's about trusting in your potential to achieve great things. Next, we have the development of high stress tolerance. Let's face it, the road to financial success is often paved with challenges and obstacles. The ability to remain calm and composed in the face of adversity is a trait that every millionaire possesses. Then, there are charisma and persuasion skills. These are the tools that can help you build connections, influence others, and open doors to opportunities that would otherwise remain closed. Focusing on mastery is another crucial trait. It's about becoming an expert in your field, continuously learning and improving. This relentless pursuit of excellence is what sets millionaires apart. Embracing a healthy ego is also part of the millionaire mindset. It's about having confidence in your abilities, but also being humble enough to acknowledge your shortcomings and learn from them. Preparing for challenges is another key trait. It's about anticipating potential setbacks and having a plan in place to overcome them. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. Lastly, continuously striving for success is a defining characteristic of the millionaire mindset. It's not about reaching a certain financial milestone and then resting on your laurels. It's about continuously pushing the boundaries and setting new goals. These 7 traits, when combined, form the millionaire mindset. It's a way of thinking that fosters financial abundance and success. But remember, these traits are not exclusive to millionaires. They are traits that anyone can develop and cultivate. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these 7 traits that can set you on the path to financial success. First up on our list is the belief in one's own specialness. It's not about being arrogant or dismissive of others. Rather, it's about recognizing your unique strengths, your individual talents, and your potential to contribute something that no one else can. This sense of specialness is a key characteristic among millionaires. Why? Because they know that the path to wealth is often paved with unique ideas and innovative solutions. And these can only come from a mind that believes in its own capabilities and is not afraid to venture into the unknown. But remember, self-belief should not be a hollow mantra. It needs to be backed by hard work, dedication, and the constant pursuit of knowledge. It's about being open to change and willing to take calculated risks. When you believe in your specialness, you start to see opportunities where others see obstacles. You start to see failure not as a dead end, but as a stepping stone to success. So, embrace your uniqueness, nurture your talent, and most importantly, believe in your ability to make a difference. In essence, millionaires are not afraid to stand out from the crowd and believe in their unique capabilities. Next trait, being able to handle high levels of stress. It's a common misconception that stress is always bad. In reality, stress can serve as a powerful motivator, pushing us beyond our perceived limits. However, the key lies in managing it effectively. Think of stress as a flame. Controlled and contained, it can provide warmth and light, fueling our drive to succeed. But if left unchecked, it can consume us, leading to burnout and health issues. High stress tolerance isn't about ignoring stress or suppressing it. It's about embracing it, understanding its cause and effect, and learning how to leverage it to our advantage. It's about building resilience, maintaining a balanced perspective, and developing coping mechanisms to navigate through high-pressure situations. Mental fortitude, emotional stability, and physical endurance form the trifecta of high-stress tolerance. It's about turning stress into a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. Remember, the road to success is often paved with challenges, but it's how you handle these challenges that defines your journey. Trait number 3, charisma and persuasion. Charisma is the ability to attract, charm, and influence the people around you. And when combined with persuasion, it becomes a powerful tool in the hands of a millionaire. It's not just about being likable or making a good first impression. It's about making a lasting impression, one that inspires trust and respect. Now, think about persuasion. It's the art of convincing others to see things your way. But it's more than just getting what you want. It's about understanding what others want and finding a way to align their desires with your own. Together, charisma and persuasion form a potent combination. They allow you to inspire others, to motivate them to act, to change their minds or consider new perspectives. They enable you to open doors, to create opportunities that might not have existed otherwise. And they allow you to navigate the world with confidence, knowing that you have the ability to influence your surroundings and the people in them. With charisma and persuasion, millionaires can inspire others and create opportunities for themselves. The fourth trait, focusing on mastery. Now, this is a trait that sets millionaires apart. They don't just learn to do things, they strive to master them. Every skill, every piece of knowledge, they approach it with the goal of mastering it. Why is that? Well, because they understand that mastery is the key to excellence. It's the key to being the best at what they do. It's the key to standing out in a crowded field. It's about not just knowing how to do something, but knowing it so well that you can do it better than anyone else. Remember, mastery doesn't come overnight. It requires time, patience, and a lot of hard work. It's about constantly learning, constantly improving. It's about pushing yourself to your limits and then pushing some more. But here's the thing. It's not just about mastering a skill. It's also about mastering yourself. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses, your passions and fears. It's about being in control of your emotions, your actions, and your life. Millionaires understand that mastery is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of learning and growing. It's about striving for excellence every single day. Scene script. Fifth on our list, embracing a healthy ego. Picture this. You're standing on the precipice of a decision. It's risky, it's bold, but it could change your life. What pushes you to take that leap? A healthy ego. Not an inflated sense of self, but a balanced understanding of your strengths, your worth, and your potential. This doesn't mean you should be immune to criticism or believe you're superior. Quite the contrary. A healthy ego is about recognizing your value and not undervaluing yourself. It's about understanding that you have something unique to offer and not being afraid to put it out there. In the world of entrepreneurship, a healthy ego can be the difference between remaining stagnant and soaring to new heights. It fuels the confidence needed to take risks, to innovate, and to lead. It allows you to trust your instincts, make bold decisions, and stand by them. But the key here is balance. Too much ego, and you risk becoming arrogant and overconfident. Too little, and you might not take the necessary risks to succeed. So, nurture a healthy ego. Believe in your abilities, value your contributions, and don't be afraid to take the lead. Remember, a healthy ego isn't about arrogance. It's about confidence and self-belief. Trait number 6, preparing for challenges. Life, as we know it, is not a bed of roses. And this is especially true in the world of entrepreneurship. The road to success is often paved with challenges and setbacks. But here's the secret sauce of the millionaires. They are always prepared for these hurdles. They understand that every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. It's a chance to learn, grow, and come out stronger on the other side. They don't dread these obstacles. Instead, they embrace them. They equip themselves with the right knowledge, skills, and mindset to tackle any problem that comes their way. It's like going into a battlefield. You wouldn't march in without your armor, would you? Similarly, millionaires arm themselves with resilience, perseverance, and a never-give-up attitude. They are always on their toes, ready to face whatever life throws at them. They know that the path to success is not always smooth, and they are ready to navigate through the rough patches. Remember, when you're prepared, you're less likely to be caught off guard. And that's why preparation is a crucial trait of millionaires. As they say, forewarned is forearmed. The final trait, continuously striving for success. This trait is the fuel that keeps the engine of ambition running. It's an insatiable hunger, a relentless pursuit that doesn't cease at the first sign of victory. It's about pushing boundaries and breaking the limits that others have set. It's the understanding that success isn't a one-time event, but rather a continuous process of growth and improvement. It's about not resting on laurels, but instead using every achievement as a stepping stone towards greater goals. This trait embraces the ever-changing nature of success. It acknowledges that what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. It's about constant innovation, about being open to change, and about adapting with the times. It's about setting high standards and refusing to settle for mediocrity. It's about taking calculated risks and stepping out of comfort zones. It's about understanding that failures are not roadblocks, but signposts guiding you to your ultimate destination. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. To wrap it up, let's revisit these 7 traits. Our journey into the millionaire mindset began with the belief in one's own specialness. Remember, you are unique, and your individuality is your strength. Harness that strength and let it fuel your ambition. We then explored the necessity of developing a high-stress tolerance. Life as an entrepreneur or business leader can be tough, but it's how we handle the pressure that truly defines us. Learn to thrive under stress and turn adversity into opportunity. Next, we delved into the power of charisma and persuasion. These aren't just about getting people to do what you want. It's about inspiring others to share in your vision. Your passion is contagious, and by spreading it, you can rally the support you need to make your dreams a reality. Then, we discussed the importance of focusing on mastery. It's not enough to be good at something. You need to strive to be the best. The pursuit of excellence is a never-ending journey, but it's one that can lead to untold wealth and success. We also touched on the concept of a healthy ego. Confidence is key in any endeavor, but it's particularly crucial when you're aiming for the stars. Believe in your abilities, but remember to keep your ego in check. Arrogance can be as damaging as self-doubt. Our 6th trait was about preparing for challenges. The road to wealth is rarely smooth, and obstacles are inevitable. But with the right mindset, you can see these challenges not as setbacks, but as stepping stones on your path to success. Finally, we highlighted the importance of continuously striving for success. Complacency is the enemy of progress. Always aim higher and never stop pushing yourself. Success is a journey, not a destination. Keep these traits in mind, and you too could set yourself on the path to becoming a millionaire.